Meet the MOVA E30 Ultra Robot Vacuum, a smart all-in-one cleaner with powerful suction, precise mapping, and advanced mopping. It cleans your floors, avoids obstacles, and even takes care of itself with an automatic maintenance station. What's in the box? In the box, you find the MOVA E30 Ultra Robot Vacuum. Self-empty dock. Dock base. Vacuum mop. Power cord. Dust bag. Side brush. And user manual. How to pair. To pair the MOVA E30 Ultra Robot Vacuum, first power on the robot and place it on the charging station. Download and open the MOVA Home app on your smartphone, then select the option to add a new device. Scan the QR code located on the robot and follow the on-screen instructions to connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Make sure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, as the robot does not support 5 GHz connections during setup. Once the pairing process is complete, the robot will appear in the app, allowing you to control cleaning schedules, customize settings, view maps, and monitor cleaning progress directly from your phone. How to use? Before using the MOVA E30 Ultra Robot Vacuum, unbox the robot and all included accessories. Place the base station in an open area with sufficient clearance, at least 1.5 meters in front and 0.5 meters on both sides. Connect the power cord and install the extension ramp, preferably on a tile or masonry floor. Remove the protective strips from the robot, then press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn it on. Install the mop pads and place the robot on the charging station to begin charging. Next, remove the clean water tank. Fill it with room temperature tap water and reinstall it in the base station. Before the first cleaning session, clear any loose items or obstacles from the floor and allow the robot to perform its initial mapping process. Once the map is created, you can customize cleaning settings, room layouts, no-go zones, virtual walls, cleaning sequences, and multi-floor maps to optimize cleaning performance throughout your home. Maintenance. Keep the top silver crevice clean to avoid bumper blockage. Open the top cover to clean the dust bin, tap or rinse filters, and wash the bin, but dry it for 24 hours before reuse. Use the internal flap for deeper cleaning and to prevent dust buildup. Wipe all sensors and charging contacts for proper navigation and docking. Remove hair from the side brush and detangle or replace the main brush using the screw. Wash or replace microfiber mop pads regularly for effective cleaning. Open the lid at the top to access the removable clean and dirty water tanks, keeping the inside wiped and all water channels clear. Rinse the dirty tank regularly to prevent odor and buildup, while the clean tank needs only occasional deep cleaning. The scale inhibitor helps reduce mineral deposits and can be replaced if needed. Below, refill the solution tank as required and replace the vacuum bag when full, ideally noting the installation date for tracking. At the bottom, remove and wash the insert, and keep the self-empty channels, sensors, and charging contacts clean to ensure smooth station operation. Smart features? With up to 7,000 pascals of suction, the MOVA E30 Ultra effectively removes dust, dirt, pet hair, and debris from both hard floors and carpets. Its powerful cleaning performance helps ensure deeper and more thorough cleaning throughout your home. The intelligent docking station automatically empties the dustbin, washes the mop pads, and dries them after cleaning. This reduces manual maintenance and keeps the robot ready for the next cleaning session with minimal effort. The MOVA E30 Ultra combines powerful vacuuming and efficient mopping to remove dust, debris, and everyday floor stains in a single cleaning cycle. Its coordinated cleaning system helps keep hard floors cleaner while reducing the need for manual sweeping and mopping. Advanced LiDAR technology accurately scans and maps your home to create efficient cleaning routes with minimal overlap. This enables precise room recognition, faster navigation, and thorough coverage throughout the entire cleaning area. The robot detects furniture, cables, and small objects in real time to prevent collisions and getting stuck. This ensures smooth movement around your home while maintaining consistent and uninterrupted cleaning performance. The MOVA E30 Ultra can store and manage multiple floor plans for different levels of your home. It automatically recognizes each floor and applies the correct map for efficient, customized cleaning every time. Lets you adjust suction power, mopping level, and cleaning modes based on different rooms and dirt levels. You can also set schedules, no-go zones, and virtual walls for a fully personalized cleaning experience. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the MOVA E30 Ultra Robot Vacuum from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your MOVA E30 Ultra Robot Vacuum. See you at the next one.